Hi, today I am going to teach some of the topics in DBMS. I am going to teach functional dependency concepts and normalization concept. First I am teaching functional dependency. So what is functional dependency? What is functional dependency? Functional dependency is a relationship between two attributes. Functional dependency is a relationship between two attributes. It is denoted by FD colon X determines Y. Using arrow mark we can denote the functional dependency. FD means functional dependency, X arrow mark Y. Using arrow mark we can denote the functional dependency. So how to spell this line is X determines Y. The functional dependency of the left hand side is called determinant. The right hand side of the functional dependency is called dependent. So what is a functional dependency? Functional dependency is a relationship between two attributes. It is denoted by FT colon X arrow mark Y. So X determines Y. Using X we can determine Y. So Y is the dependent on X. Y is functional dependent on X. That is X determines Y. For example, I am taking one table. This table consists of two attributes. X comma Y are attributes. X values are 1, 2, 3. Y values are 10, 20, 30. So, is functional dependency exist? X determines Y. Functional dependency is exist. Now, we will check it is exist or not. So, here X value is 1, Y value is 10. Here X value is 2, Y value is 20. Here X value is 3, Y value is 30. So, using X we can determine the Y values. So, X in this example X values are unique values, different values. So, we can determine the Y values. So, we can say that X determines Y. So, I am taking another example. In this example also consists of two attributes X, Y, but X values are 1, 2, 1. Y values are 10, 20, 30. So, this table consists of two attributes X, Y and 3 records. Each row in the table is called record. Once we will see the values of X and values of Y. So, what is the values of X? What is the first value of X? 1. What is the value of Y? 10. Here value of X is 2, value of Y is 20. Here value of X is 1, value of Y is 30. By observing this table, the X values are repeated. 1 is repeated 2 times. 1 is repeated 2 times. Here X value 1, the value of Y is 10. Here also X value 1, but value of Y is 30. So, at the same X value 1, the Y values are different. 1 is 10 and 1 is 30. 1 is 10 and 1 is 30. So, we can say that X does not exist a functional dependency. So, X determines Y. This type of functional dependency does not exist. This type of functional dependency does not exist. Why? Because here X values are repeated, but Y values are, whenever X values are repeated, the Y values should be same. So, we have to follow one rule. What is that rule? If T1 dot X equal to T2 dot X, then T1 dot Y equal to T2 dot Y. T2 dot Y. So, T1 means tuple. What is a tuple? Tuple is the record. Each row in the table is called record or tuple. Each row in the table is called record or tuple. So what is the rule? If t1 dot x equal to t2 dot x, then t1 dot y equal to t2 dot y. Whenever x values are repeated, at that places the y values must be same. The y values must be same. t1 dot x equal to t2 dot x. This is the first tuple t1. This is the second tuple. This is the third tuple. Here t1, t3 tuples of x values are same. t1, t3 tuples of x values are same. t1 dot x equal to t3 dot x. What is t1 dot x? 1. What is t3 dot x? 1. Then t1 dot y equal to t2 dot y. t1 dot y equal to t2 dot y. So what is t1 dot y? This is t1 dot x. This is t1 dot y. So what is t1 dot y? 10. What is t3 dot y? 30. According to that rule, if x values are same, then y values must be same. In this example, the y values are different values. One is 10, one is 30. Not same. Not same. So such a case, the functional dependency does not exist. Such a case, the functional dependency does not exist. So we will see one more example. I am taking another table. This table also consists of two attributes, x comma y attributes. I am taking 3 records. So the values of x are 1, 2, 1. The values of y are 10, 20, 10. So by observing this table, where it is x values are repeated? Here 1, here also 1. So we will check the y values. So here x value 1, what is the y value? 10. Here also x value 1, what is the y value? 10. So x values are repeated, then y value should be same. That is the rule. So in this table, satisfy this rule. So x value 1, y value 10. Here also x value 1, y value 10. So this condition is satisfied. So 1 equal to 1, y values also 10 equal to 10. So in this case, functional dependencies exist. We can say that x determines y. This type of functional dependency exists. So far, we have seen 3 examples. First one, this is the first example. Here, all x values are unique values. All x values are unique values. Then no need to check this condition. Directly we can say that x determines y. Here, all x values are unique values. No need to check this rule. Directly we can say that x determines y. So next example, here x values are repeated. 1 is repeated 2 times. So such a case we have to check the y values also. So where it is repeated, that places y values must be same. Y values must be same. Then only functional dependency exists. Otherwise functional dependency not exist. But in this case, x values are repeated 2 times. 1 is repeated 2 times. But y values are not same. Y values are not same. One of the y value is 10 and one of the y value is 30. So those y values are different values. Those y values are different values. So in this case, the functional dependency does not exist. But by x values are repeated, when it will be the functional dependency exist. So we will see this example. Already we have seen this example. Here x values are repeated. 1 is repeated 2 times. So what are the y values? At this place y value is 10. At this place y value is also 10. Where it is repeated x value, that the places of y value equal. Those y values are equal. So in this case, the functional dependencies exist. In this case, the functional dependencies exist. What I am trying to say is, what is a functional dependency? Functional dependency is the relationship between two attributes. Here x comma y are single attribute or set of attributes. So in this functional dependency, x values are different values, then no need to check this condition or no need to check this rule. If x values are repeated, then only we have to check this rule. then only we have to check this rule. If T1 dot x equal to T2 dot x, then T1 dot y equal to T2 dot y. So if x values are repeated, then the y values must be same. Then only functional dependency exists. Otherwise, the functional dependency does not exist. The functional dependency does not exist. For example, I am taking student table. For example, I am taking student table. This table consists of roll number, name, marks. Roll number, name, marks. Roll number, name, marks. So, roll number, name, marks are called attributes. Roll number, name, marks are called attributes. So, roll number is 1. I am taking records into the table. Roll number 1, name is A, marks 100. Roll number 2, name is B, marks 200. Roll number 3, name is C, marks 300. So, I am taking student table. This table consists of 3 attributes. One is roll number, name, marks, and I am taking 3 records. Each row in the table is called record or tuple. Each row in the table is called record or tuple. Now we will check the functional dependency is exist or not. First we will check roll number determines name. Roll number determines name. Is this type of functional dependency is exist or not? Roll number determines name. So roll number, what are the values of roll number? 1, 2, 3. All values are different values, unique values. So no need to check this rule. Directly we can say that roll number determines name. So roll number 1, name is A. Roll number 2, name is B. Roll number 3, name is C. Why? Because here the values of roll number all are unique values, different values. So directly we can say that roll number determines name. Also at the starting of the class also I told x determines y means x and y are single attribute or set of attributes. X and y are single attribute or set of attributes. I am taking roll number, comma, name determines marks. So is this functional dependency exist or not? We will check is this functional dependency or exist or not. Roll number, comma, name. So x determines y. Here x is roll number, comma, name. In previous example, I am taking only single attributes only. But in this example, x is the set of attributes, roll number, name. So how to check this functional dependency? Roll number, comma, name. We have to check the combination. Roll number, comma, name. 1A determines marks 100. 2B determines marks 200. 3C determines marks 300. So here also in this functional dependency also roll number, comma, name. Those combination of values are unique values, different values. So no need to check this rule. So directly we can say that roll number, comma, name determines marks. Roll number, comma, name determines marks. Thank you.